Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by waking your Redmi and unlocking the screen with your PIN. Open Settings from the App drawer or use the Quick Settings drawer. Tap Bluetooth to open Bluetooth settings and check the toggle. Turn Bluetooth on if it is off and allow visibility when prompted by the phone. Keep the accessory or device within 3 meters while pairing to ensure a stable signal. Make sure the other device is powered on and in pairing or discovery mode. With Bluetooth visible, wait for the list of available devices to populate. Find the device name that matches the accessory and tap it to start pairing. Watch for a PIN or pairing prompt and confirm the code on both devices if shown. Accept any permission requests for contacts or media access when needed for full functionality. If the connection fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then try pairing again within 30 seconds. Repeat the pairing until the device shows as connected. If you experience problems, open Bluetooth settings and tap the gear icon next to the device. Choose Forget or Unpair to remove the saved profile and then repair from scratch. Restart both your Redmi and the accessory to clear temporary issues if audio or controls do not function. Check for MIUI updates in settings and install them to fix known Bluetooth bugs. Verify app permissions and battery saver settings because they can block Bluetooth in some scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.